Do you want to know how you can read aloud the text or your previous chats on ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can read aloud your previous chats or prompts on ChatGPT. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, then search for ChatGPT or go to chatgpt.com. Make sure that you are logged in. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and open this bar over here. Now, in order for you to select and read aloud your messages or your previous prompts, what you need to do is select one of these. So, after you click on any of these, you can see this read aloud option. If you click on it, you can notice that ChatGPT will read this text for you. If you don't have the time to listen or if you don't have the time to read this, you can just click on read aloud and you can listen to ChatGPT. So go ahead and click on it. As you can see, it will read you aloud. You can even change the voice by going to your settings. So go ahead and click on your profile, go to settings, click on speech, and you can see the voice over here. You can change the voice and it will change accordingly. So go ahead and click read aloud.
Grammar in your statement.
This was a video on how you can read aloud your previous chats on ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.